Before we write a single prompt, we need AdaL running on your machine. This video will walk you through installation verification and two ways you will use AdaL in this course, the CLI and the web interface. It takes less than 5 minutes. Let's do it. First, make sure you have Node.js version 20 or newer installed. Open your terminal and run node space -v. If you see a version starting with 20 or higher, you're good. If not, head to nodejs.org and grab the latest stable release. NPM comes bundled with Node, so you don't need to install that separately. Once that clear, we head to the installation. It's a one command installation. You just copy this command and run it. The G flag installs it globally, meaning you can run AdaL from any directory on your machine, not just one project folder. Once it finishes, verify the installation, AdaL space -v, and you should see a version number. If you do, you're set. Navigate to your course project folder. This is the PopPrint repo you'll be working in throughout the course. Then just run AdaL. That drops you into the AdaL CLI. You'll see a prompt window ready for your input. This is your primary interface for the course. If you prefer a visual interface, AdaL also has a browser-based option. From the same project directory, run AdaL space --web. This opens AdaL in browser automatically. Same agent engine underneath a different surface. Web mode is useful for two things in particular. From my experience using AdaL on a Windows system, pasting screenshots directly without saving an image file has saved me a lot of time, and toggling between plan mode and auto approve modes without keyboard shortcuts is also very helpful. Either interface works for this course. Use whichever feels more natural to you. A few things worth knowing before you start. There are some commands like /help. It will list all the available commands. /init will generate the project context from your repo. It's basically the agent.md file for your project. /model. It will let you switch the underlying AI model. At current times, AdaL is supporting more than 25 models, so that's a good thing. /quit will exit the session, and Control+C will terminate the agent response. You will be mentioning a file a lot in this course, and to do that, you'll use @. And if you want to run a shell command directly from the AdaL input, you can use an exclamation sign, run the command, and press escape, and then return to entering your prompts normally again. We will cover /skills and /mcp in the later modules. That's it for now. AdaL is installed. Your project folder is ready, and you know how to launch both the interfaces. In the next video, we'll orient you inside the PopPrint repo and run your first real prompt as Jordan.